Hello and welcome to our van life how-to series. In this episode, we are going to tell you about our 5 favorite vegan restaurants on the West Coast. We typically try to eat a vegan diet, and since we're traveling to the West Coast and we're on the West Coast, there are a lot of vegan restaurants and a lot of vegan options out there. So when we were there, we made sure that we went to a bunch of different vegan restaurants. We tried different vegan foods, and here are our favorite vegan restaurants from the West Coast. Number 1, Chipotle. Yes, Chipotle is our number 1 restaurant. Yes, it's not just on the West Coast and it's not a fully vegan restaurant, but if you do go there and if you do follow our channel, you know that we go to Chipotle all the time. And they do have a really good vegan option. So what we do is we go get the burrito with the sofritas, and then we get guacamole and chips. And yeah, that's typically our go-to when we're on the road and we are hungry.
So yeah, we're gonna get some Chipotle and get really full probably.
Number 2, Thai food. Thai food would definitely be our number 2 because if you watch our travel videos, then you know that we also go to get Thai food all the time. We usually get yellow curry or green curry. One of our favorite Thai restaurants that was fully vegan was Ari's Place in Seattle, Washington. It was a vegan lunch Thai buffet. It was super cheap and we got to try a bunch of different Thai food that was fully vegan. We had spring rolls and we had those cream puff things that Brandon likes. And we also tried curry and pad thai and it was super good. We had a lot of food and I would definitely recommend you check it out if you have one in your area.
We're going to all-you-can-eat vegan restaurant buffet, lunch buffet.
Number 3, Sweet Hereafter. When we went to Portland, Oregon, they have a ton of vegan restaurants. We tried a few when we were there. One that we really liked was the Sweet Hereafter. It was a really cool vegan bar. You go up, you ask for a menu, you order some food at the bar, and I was really craving mac and cheese at the time, so I got my vegan mac and cheese, and Brandon got a tempeh burger, a blackened tempeh burger, and it was really good food. So if you ever are in Portland, Oregon, I would suggest you go to the Sweet Hereafter. We're headed to eat at the Hereafter, the Sweet Hereafter.
That's the name of the restaurant?
Yeah.
All right. Number 4, Native Foods. Native Foods is a vegan chain restaurant and they specialize in plant-based foods. The first time we went to it was just outside of Portland, and then we went to, I think, it again in San Diego, and it was really good. They had a lot of different options. All the things on their menu are plant-based, and they have really good lavender lemonade. Ricky got we got some chicken fingers, a few different burgers. They had really good tasting ranch, and overall it was just a really good experience, and everything on the menu is all plant-based. Left Mission Beach just to come over here to Native Foods and to get some good vegan food. We've been there before and it was pretty tasty, so we saw it was nearby and we decided to make a little short drive over here. Number 5, the Veggie Grill. We went to the Veggie Grill when we were in Portland, downtown. We were just walking around, we saw it there, and it's another chain restaurant with vegan food. I think they have the Beyond Meat Burger there, so if you've never tried the Beyond Meat Burger, you can get it and try it there. We like Native Foods better because their menu is a little more to our liking, but overall, they're both chain restaurants that have a good selection of plant-based options.
Going to the Veggie Grill to get a vegan Beyond Meat Burger.
Bonus, Voodoo Donuts. If you're in the Portland area, I'm sure you've heard of Voodoo Donuts before. There's one downtown and one outside of town. We went to the one that's outside of town, and then we also walked by the one that's downtown. Don't go there. There's way too many people in line. There's a massive line. But I've never had a vegan donut before, and these ones were super tasty. They have both vegan and non-vegan options. So if you want to go there with your non-vegan friends, I couldn't really tell a difference between the way the donuts taste and regular donuts. And I'm a pretty big fan of donuts. And plus they have a voodoo doll donut, and it's pretty funny. It's like a voodoo shaped doll with jelly inside. It's pretty good. So we just got a few different donuts and tried them, and that's our number 6 bonus option. Where are we at?
We are now at the Voodoo Donut Shop, and we drove by this, we drove by the front of this already, and the line is huge.
Thank you for watching. Those are 5 plus 1 bonus restaurant that we liked while we were traveling on the West Coast. If you have any vegan restaurants that you'd like to share, we'd be happy to hear about them and let us know where they are. We're not in the West Coast anymore, and it's getting a lot harder to find restaurants. But if you have tips for other people or for us, just let us know what your favorite restaurants are in the comment section below. And don't forget to like our video, share it with your friends, and hit the bell icon if you want to be notified when our new videos come out. Thanks for watching.